Hi guys, in this science video, we're going to talk about the law of reflection. Now, I've set up a little bit of an experiment to show how the law of reflection works. What I have here is a couple of dictionaries just to keep my mirror in place. I have a mirror and I have a great big protractor. What it does is it measures angles. So I'm just going to put these together. That way my mirror stays nice and straight up. And the other thing that I have is I have a laser pointer. And a laser pointer is nice because it keeps a nice, just one small beam of light. And so we can kind of see how light works with it, but just in a small space. So as I said in our last video, when we have a ray of light and it hits a mirror, it bounces straight back off of it. That's why if I'm looking at something that's some light going to the mirror on the left side, it shows it as being in the right side of the mirror. If I show something from the right side, it shows it as being in the left side of the mirror, right? So that's why our objects, when we look in the mirror, are always reversed. Now, the law of reflection says that whenever we have a mirror that's nice and flat like this, whatever angle we shine the light onto the mirror, it will come off on that same angle on the opposite side. So like I said, if I'm at 90-degree angle to it, just straight on to it, and I shine it right to the middle, you'll see that, I'll back it up a little bit, you'll see that the reflection comes back on a 90-degree angle. But if I move over to an 80-degree angle, and I shoot my light ray to the mirror, you'll see that it comes back on the opposite side on the 80-degree angle. So once again, I'll show you that. Okay. If I move over a little bit more, I'm going to move over to a 50-degree right here, so you can see a little bit more on more of an angle. So here's a 50-degree angle. I'm shooting it right to the middle, and when it comes off, it shoots right back at the 50 on the opposite side. Oh, I have to make sure I hit the middle though. As if I get further over, so a 30-degree angle over on the left side here, it bounces back and goes on a 30-degree on the right side. Oh, make sure I hit the middle here. I can even try and do it on a really steep angle. It's a little bit tougher because of the frame of the mirror. But if I get over here on a 10-degree angle and I can hit the middle, you'll see it hits the 10-degree on the opposite side. When I get to 180 here or 0, it doesn't hit the mirror, so I can't really see it, but it does go just straight across. So the law of reflection says that whatever angle a light hits a mirror, it will bounce off on the opposite side's angle on the same angle on the opposite side. Let me say that one more time. So the law of reflection says that when I shine a light on a mirror at an angle, it will bounce off on the opposite side, but at the same angle. All right, guys, hopefully that helps you. Thank you very much.